Welcome to the ISO IEC 17043, the training course, Proficiency Testing for Laboratories. This course is designed to help you master the principles and requirements of ISO IEC 17043-2023 BRICE, a vital standard for ensuring reliable proficiency testing and interlaboratory comparisons. Whether you're a lab professional, quality manager, or part of a team providing proficiency testing services, this training will equip you with the tools and knowledge to excel in this field. ISO IEC 17043-2 establishes a framework for proficiency testing, making it an indispensable tool for laboratories aiming to ensure the reliability of their testing results. By implementing this standard, you'll enhance the credibility of your laboratory's services, improve operational trust among clients and regulators, and identify and address gaps in your processes. In this course, we'll guide you on how ISO IEC 17043 can elevate your laboratory's competitive position in the market while fostering a culture of continuous improvement and accuracy. In this course, we'll walk through every chapter of ISO IEC 17043-2023 in detail so you can confidently implement the standard in your organization. We'll start with an introduction to ISO IEC 17043-2023, giving you an overview of its scope, key principles, and its role in ensuring the reliability of proficiency testing. In Chapter 4, the General Requirements, we'll explore principles like impartiality and confidentiality, which are critical for building trust and credibility in interlaboratory comparisons. Chapter 5 focuses on structural requirements. Here, we'll discuss the organizational structure necessary for proficiency testing providers, including roles, responsibilities, and authority. Next, in Chapter 6, Resource Requirements, we'll delve into the qualifications and competencies needed for personnel, as well as the facilities and resources required to support effective proficiency testing. In Chapter 7, Process Requirements, you'll learn about planning proficiency testing, participant selection, and evaluating results. This module emphasizes transparency, accuracy, and consistency throughout the entire testing process. Finally, Chapter 8, Management System Requirements, will cover how to implement and maintain a robust management system, including internal audits, corrective actions, and continual improvement, ensuring the quality of services provided. By the end of this course, you'll have a clear roadmap for implementing ISO IEC 17043 and ensuring your proficiency testing programs meet international standards. This course goes beyond just theory. We provide a comprehensive set of tools to support your journey. You'll have access to detailed video tutorials for each chapter of the standard, designed to simplify complex requirements into actionable insights. Interactive quizzes will help you test your knowledge as you progress, and real-world practical exercises will enable you to apply what you've learned to real scenarios. Additionally, you'll receive downloadable resources, including checklists and sample templates, to guide your implementation process. Please note that the full package of templates is sold separately, but we've included some preview samples to give you a head start. At the end of the course, you'll earn a certificate of completion demonstrating your expertise in ISO IEC 17043 compliance. For just $89, you'll gain access to all the learning materials, video tutorials, interactive exercises, and downloadable resources. The course is delivered in English with a duration of approximately 3 hours, spread across 12 engaging lessons. Once completed, you'll receive a certificate of completion to showcase your skills and knowledge in proficiency testing, according to ISO IEC 17043,